Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Today I'm going to be making a tray with two matching coasters. Now this is a set and I was going to make a set, but I thought it'd be really nice, two coasters and a tray. You could put your cup and a biscuit on there, couldn't you? So I made this pigment paste the other day and I used it on the pumpkin. If you've watched that video, such a beautiful colour, and now I thought I'd be using that because I'm using these DTF stickers, these UV DTF stickers. I just think they're absolutely delightful, and I thought that colour, I'll show you them all, thought that colour would go perfectly with them. You'd still see the picture through it, so we'll go for that. I'm going to be doing one in Aquacast and one set in Epoxy as usual. See which one we like best. I know I'll probably like the Aquacast best, but we'll see. So I'm just going to go and mix some Epoxy up and I'll be right back with you. Right, I'm sorry I said Epoxy, I meant Aquacast. Right, so I've mixed up a bowl full. I didn't measure it, and I've left it in between runny and like a pancake batter at the moment. And I'm going to be using some resin creep pigment in brown and orange. Give them a good shake. Not much of the brown left. Put plenty in. Just we're putting a lot in. Just means it takes ever so slightly longer to cure, really. I've never really had a problem with it. And the orange is just for a bit of warmth, if you will, because I don't just want brown. I mean, that's a bit of a revolting colour, isn't it? So we're going to stick some orange in and make it nice and warm. It's going to dry. When it dries, it's going to dry a lot paler than that. And I think we might stick some acrylic ink in and just marble that. So I will be using the copper, my favourite, this, absolutely love it. And we're just going to drizzle this in because I want to marble it. Doesn't come out metallic. That should be enough. We'll see what that does. There we go. And we'll just pour. I think possibly I've just mixed enough for that, although I don't know. We'll pour a bit in here while we've got some. Right, let's jiggle this and these. They will be going on the vibration plate, but as I'm aware, not everybody has one. So this is plenty jiggling. We're going to get a micro brush and we're just going to go around the edges. There we go. And the edges of here. Around that inner edge. There we go. So I will top these up. I'll scrape the bowl. This one's okay. And I will be back when it's skewered. Right, I just want to say I've realised I wanted to marble them with that acrylic ink. Now I won't be putting them on the vibration plate because too much vibration ruins the marble. So I just wanted to clarify that, honestly. I just forget everything. I'll see you when it's cured. Right, these are cured now. It's been about an hour. Let's see what we're left with. I'm hoping it's marbled all right. Can't believe I nearly put it on the vibration plate. Oh, I mean, you can still see some wet patches, but that acrylic ink has worked perfectly. Oh, how lovely. Yeah, very impressed. It's left some in the mould. Let's have a look at these. I hope these are just as nice. Oh yeah, nice. I like it. Never marbled with that before. I think I should do it again. In fact, I can't wait to do it again. Very, very nice. Right, I'm going to let them dry. I'm going to clean the moulds because it's left a bit on all of them, and we'll be back for the resin. Right, I've mixed up my resin. It is Teexpert epoxy resin, and I've mixed up 200 mils, and I'm going to decant some in here for the gold acrylic ink. Don't want a great lot, just a little bit, about 80 mils. There we go. I've got same copper acrylic ink as I used in the Aquacast version, and I'm going to put quite a bit in. They weren't full pipettes then, it's running down. I've used it that much. And give that a really good mix. Such a lovely colour. It's going to look very nice with those stickers on. Right, we'll put that to one side, and we're on to this one now. Right, gold. These I got from the range. We're not going to need quite as much, I don't think, as this one. There we go. They weren't quite full pipettes either. See what that does for us. This is just to give it a bit of contrast. I didn't particularly just want it all one colour. And I'm going to stick a bit of clear PVA glue in these to make them a bit thicker so that they don't meld quite as much. I'm not going to put too much in. One blob comes out quite fast, this. There we go, that's thickened it up lovely. I mean, they might still meld, but we'll see. Let's do this one. Obviously a bit more glue is needed in this because there's a bit more. There we go. Yeah, I don't want the gold disappearing basically, that's why I'm putting the glue in. Oh, that's proper gloopy, that's ace. We'll get everything ready and we'll pour the gold first. And I'm just going to drizzle it. Obviously, wherever it touches on the mould is where you're going to see it. And then we'll go in with the copper. I'm going to need some more. I definitely did not mix it up enough. Let's give him a spritz. Gotta hope that that works out how I want it to. I will fill them up off camera. All I'm going to do is fill them up with the bronze because we're on the back now, so that's all good. And I'll be back for the demould. See you in a bit. Right, time for demould. Let's have a look what we've got here. Do like this mould. I've got so many ideas for it. It's just the right size. Oh, we've got some bubbles. Oh, that's a nuisance. I'm not bothered about them bubbles there. That's the glue, isn't it? Oh, heck. I'll have to top coat that piece as well. Right, we'll sort that out. Nice colour though. Oh yeah, lovely. And on this one, yeah, they're very nice. Bit brighter on camera than they actually are in real life. I've just looked at the phone and they're like, whoa, in your face, but they're not that bad in real life. Right, let's have a look at the stickers. We'll do the coasters first, shall we? I think these are the ones I picked. So I'm trying to remember which one was for the tray. It's been a couple of days. I've left them a couple of days and I think I had them like that. Yes, there we go. So these are these. Let's see if I can do it in gloves. Let's try and get it central. That's right. We don't want any bubbles, do we? They're such pretty stickers. We've lost a bit there. No problem. Just do it again. Give them a good rub. Lost a bit of that tree as well. Quite stiff, these DTF stickers, that's what it is. If you've never used them, they feel stiff. Stiff. Like brittle, in fact. Oh, isn't that pretty? Right, now for this one. I'll speed you up for this because just the same technique. As long as you're careful, you'll be okay. Right, as you can see, I've overlapped that one. Now you can't really tell there. Obviously the bottoms of the stickers are not the same, but there were no two stickers that matched at the bottom. I think it still looks all right. Right, there's a few bubbles, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop them with this. Seems to be this one more so than the others, and squeeze them down. Squeeze the air out. Yeah, this one hasn't got any bubbles in. How fantastic. And all I'm going to do is top coat them. Now I do have a bit of resin left from a previous project. I'm wondering if I should do both coasters first. We will do this one first because I think there's enough for this. I still want it to be a tray, so not too much. And as last time, I'll speed this bit up for you. Right, I'm going to do exactly the same. Use my heat gun again, but exactly the same to the coasters, and I'm going to do around this rim here. And I'll see you back when they're finished. Right, that's them done. As you can see, struggling with these two. The piece missing there. It's been about 4 days, so this is perfectly dry. And a piece missing there. Now, as you may know, most of you will know, I don't like putting resin on eco resin. It ruins the eco part for me. Each to their own. I mean, everybody has their own thing, don't they? And that's mine. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm just going to wax over the top. They are DTF stickers, UV DTF stickers. I'm almost positive that that's going to stay there, especially once I've waxed it. I'm going to wax them now. So usual wax, Clarks. Let's give them a good wax, see if that colour comes out, which I'm sure it will. I don't want it that pale. Beautiful stickers then. I don't know if I told you, but I'll tell you again if I have. They came from Temu, these stickers. I have had a few from Amazon, and they've been really, like I said before, really brittle, very odd. I didn't like them. I've had 2 lots from Amazon. Different sellers, I think. No, it's coming. The colour's coming out now. Right, I'm going to leave them for half hour, let the wax soak in, and then I'm going to give them another coat. And I'll be back when the resin's cured. Right, the top coat's all cured now. What do you think? I've got to dip it around there because I top coated that with UV resin. And I kind of wish I hadn't. That bit is epoxy. But isn't that pretty? I love the coasters, absolutely love the coasters. Just need to put something on the backs, but they're really pretty. I like how the marblings come out with the glue in it. Yeah, very nice. I'll put these to one side and I'll get the Aquacast. Now I had a bit of a disaster with this one. I was putting the backing on and I cracked it. That's only I can do. Cracked it all the way down there, so I will be making another one because it has to go as a set. I've put bronze marker, chrome markers around the top. That needs another coat. I will do that for the floaters. And these are the coasters. I've put bronze all around the edges and on the top there. Bit of touching up there. They've had 2 layers of wax. They're pretty too. I don't know which ones I like best. I really don't. I will touch up the marker pen and I will put the photos up. Please don't miss them. You can see them properly. I was going to say in all the glory, but that one's not glorious, is it? Never mind. Like I say, I will make another one of them. Thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you all for the next one. Bye.